Okay.
Splash Mountain.
Randy, she did it. Splash Mountain.
That
Splash
happened
Mountain? Are you
again.
kidding me?
Splash Mountain.
We're going down Splash Mountain. Check it out. We're going. There it is. And we're click, click, clickety, click, 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 click.
I don't know if I said I had trouble like
Okay, we're getting ready to go on the
This is
Splasher.
our first actual ride since Haunted Mansion.
I know. This you enjoy too. Yeah. It's Fernando and Granddaddy Splash Mountain.
Wait, is there gonna be a big one?
Oh yeah, at the end.
At the end, there's a big one.
Yeah, that way.
It goes under us. Look. Wow, we got that to look forward to. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Martina, are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. We went past the last chance to exit, and our flat bar is down, so we can't exit.
Just a natural thing.
I actually don't know.
Okay, here we go. Heading up.
And we're stopping. It's now or never. It's now or never.
I think it's now. And we're never coming back. Ah! This ain't the big one.
I got splashed. I got water. I got water.
Did you get splashed?
Yeah, I got water.
We got water. How about you?
We're not wearing ponchos because we're not wolves.
That's right. Oh, we got Country Bear Jamboree going on.
You guys,
Are you gonna scream, Martina?
I don't know.
Are you gonna scream as loud as Kate?
I never been on this.
Has Kate heard this?
Briars, Fox Lair, Chickapin Falls, and Laughing Place. Birdie houses. Come on, man. Brer Rabbit.
Give Mama, I don't think she's sorry.
Here we go. Are you ready?
Yes. Let's do this.
Man, what was that?
Whoa. Got the camera a little wet too.
Ah, that's okay. It's part of this experience.
There's another big ride. I did something. Oh yeah, actually
Pretty good shows your bone. Stop jumping around, you'll run out of breath. Why don't you sit back and calm
Hey
yourself?
Fernando, I
Time to be moving along. Time to be moving along.
Really?
Yeah, I like this.
Okay.
Everywhere out there, man, you raise your head from trouble.
As usual.
When we did this, I know she
What you doing up there in my rabbit man? You making a fool of yourself. What you doing?
What was that? Comprehend. I need subtitles on that one.
Yes, please.
Please.
Just like Conor McGregor
Yeah.
at the Poirier fight.
That's right.
We needed subtitles on that one.
me along with him, I could sure use a good chuckle, I could.
Roadrunner, there's a
Meep, meep.
Who is this secret whisper?
Fox caught the bear. Oh, it's dark.
This ain't no good. We're cooking. Did that scare you, Fernando? Tell the truth. A little bit. Poquito.
The smallest bit. It scared me a little bit, but after we did the tiny drop, after we made the, oh my God, it's another one! We're back at it again! That time I wasn't scared. I was prepared. That's not the last one, though. That time I was prepared. I did not get scared on that one. As high as here at Splash Mountain. Broadcasting live from Disney World.
Inside of Splash Mountain.
Guess I'll show you.
And the rabbit. Man, the fox is getting everybody.
Here it is.
Oh my God.
The grand finale is coming up. Are you ready? Is everybody ready for the grand finale?
Woohoo! Yeah!
He learned his lesson already.
All right.
But I'm afraid he learned it too late. Laughing place. We got
They're doubting our decisions. They're doubting our
know.
decisions.
Here we are.
But we
The
don't
final,
care.
the final countdown.
Damn it.
Will we make it out alive?
Oh,
Only time will tell as we enter the Thunderdome.
All right, let's see what your face looks like in the picture.
We're wrapping up this business.